Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to make AI avatar speaking using Synthesia. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use that AI avatar and make them speak using Synthesia, all you can do is simply type your script and select an AI voice, or you can also use and upload a pre-recorded audio file, and Synthesia will automatically generate the lip sync for you. You can type in any language, you can type your script in any language and create a free AI avatar that speaks as well. Once the text or audio is in the system, you can choose an avatar, personalize the video, and then generate the final output. So this way you can simply make AI avatar speak using Synthesia, which is like a pre-written script or using a custom audio file. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.